Quite a few people watched my last video where I revealed my copy-paste $500 a day strategy to use free Facebook traffic to generate sales for whatever online business you have. But some people were still struggling to generate sales. And I'm going to share with you inside this video the biggest reasons why people are still failing with that strategy and how to fix this right now. Now, before I dive in, I will share that at the link below, I still have access to the exact strategy manual, giving you the help to really implement that strategy as fast and easy as possible, such as the exact Facebook groups to join, the exact direct message to send people that ask you for information, the exact ads to post so you don't have to even think. You can just copy and paste and start getting leads and sales. So that will be directly below. But the first thing, when people started to apply it, people were still trying to spam links, okay? They were going online on Facebook and they were just pitching and they were posting their link directly on their profile. This is not what you want to do, okay? You want to actually use something called attraction marketing. Okay, the people that were getting results with that strategy understand that you want to actually start getting people chasing you. I don't chase anyone, okay? I don't direct message people that don't ask me for information. I don't prospect people. I don't pitch people. You know, I only get people chasing me. I get people begging me for the link to whatever offer I'm promoting. And if you want the same thing, you need to apply what I'm going to be revealing as you keep watching in this video. This is really what you want to do, okay? This is the right way. And I'm going to be going deeper, like I said, as you keep watching. Number one is you want to be using specific types of posts on your Facebook profile. These are posts that are designed, again, to get people chasing you, right? If you've ever been on Facebook, okay? If you've ever been on your Facebook and you've gone through your wall, right? And you've looked at some of the posts and you're not getting a lot of engagement, and you see other people getting engagement. Other people, you know, people are asking them for information. People are, you know, commenting, right? It's because they're using attraction marketing. What they've done is they've branded themselves as a leader, and now they have people searching them out. Understand this, when you want to make sales on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, whatever platform, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So if you are just, you know, going here and you're just spamming links and your posts are not engaging, you're not going to get anyone to like you. Okay, so people are just going to see your posts and they're just going to think, oh, that's another salesperson. But if you share inspiration, if you share posts that motivate people, that give value, and then tie that into your offer, that's going to work way better. You're going to have people actually like you and want to join you and buy from you. Okay. Now, one of the other big problems I see people make is, like I said, the type of post. And I want to share some real examples. Okay. So if I go into a Facebook group here, you're going to see that this person made this post. Okay. And this right here, top to earn money. Okay. This text, first off, doesn't make any sense. And by the way, if I share one of your posts in my videos, it's not to criticize, it's not to call you out, it's to actually help you improve, because I want you to understand why this won't work, okay? So what they did was they just went to a Facebook group and they just posted a random link, okay? Now, who in the world is just gonna click on a random link online, you know, with spam and scammers out there and you know, things like that. So this is not gonna work. If you've tried doing this, you wanna stop doing this. You don't wanna just post a random link, okay? Here's another example. It says daily payment, okay? And then it has proof right here. Now, this is good as far as the proof, okay? You want to share proof if you have it. And if you don't have it, again, inside the strategy manual, we share with you exact strategies to start to generate sales without any proof at all, okay? So there are specific strategies to do it, but if you have proof, it's good to show it. But this right here, daily payment, okay? This text is vague. And there's no benefit, there's no call to action, there's no telling people what to do next if they want more information. There's no benefit, you know, there's no curiosity. So people are just gonna see this and be like, okay, you know, good for you, right? And then keep scrolling. You wanna capture their attention, pique their interest, and then lead them somewhere, okay? And then one more I wanna share with you is this one right here, okay? So this right here, you know, first off, they shared their link right here, which again, no one's gonna just randomly click on a link. They don't know, like, or trust you. And then right here, you know, this color is very unattractive. And, you know, there's no real curiosity. you type in CAPTCHA form fill, they're using these little symbols. It's just very hard to read. You want to make your ads attractive so people see them and they want to find out more information. Okay? Now that's one of the biggest problems I see people make, is they're just not having attractive posts that pique people's interest. The other mistake I saw people make when they started to apply this strategy is, again, not setting up your profile properly. You want to look attractive. You want people to buy from you, right? So what I recommend you do is you look at your profile and you ask yourself, would I buy from me, right? If I was another person and I saw my profile, would that be someone I would buy from? And if it's not, you want to make changes, okay? You want to improve the quality of the setup, okay? So again, this could be things like the cover photo, your profile, okay? Even the intro, how you set up your intro message. All of this is going to have a very, very high effect on whether or not people respond to your friend requests, decide to follow you, and ultimately decide to buy from you. So again, you want to set it up properly. Like I share inside the manual, there is a specific strategy that's very easy that anyone can do. You don't have to be some famous photographer with a very expensive camera to set up your profile properly, okay? And then one of the last biggest mistakes that I saw people make is how they were messaging people. So when they started getting people asking for information, sometimes people would literally just send a message like this. Now, this is an example message. You can see, okay, hey, do you want to buy this? And then just a link, a random link like this, okay? Now, obviously, this is not great because it's not giving any benefits. It's not making anyone enticed to click this link, okay? Hey, do you want to buy this? This is a very weak message when it comes to getting people persuaded to actually take action, okay? And then also, this is even worse because in this example, the person did not ask for information, okay? So they just sent this message. You always want to only send people messages that are asking, okay? How many times have you been on Facebook and maybe someone just sends an unsolicited message to you? You open your Facebook Messenger and they say, it's this long, message like, hey, we have a new launch, ground floor, you must get in, and then it's like this long message and then you don't even know the person. So it's like, why would you even open that message or read it, right? That's what you want to understand. You want people asking you for information. When you do this strategy and you brand yourself and you have the right people added on your profile and you're posting the right way, right? You're not just spamming, you're posting value, inspiration, things like that. You get people asking you for information and then you send a good message, okay? Not something like this. You send a good, attractive message, okay? That's going to get responses. You're going to notice your leads and your sales dramatically improve. Now, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on some of the biggest mistakes and how to actually solve them. Again, if you want access though on the exact Facebook groups to join to get the targeted friends to start to make even more sales, if you want exact copy-paste advertisements, if you want an exact DM message you can send that's been proven to get tons and tons of sales and much, much more, be sure you go to the link in the description, put your best email into this site right here. This is my website, and I will shoot you much more information on this exact strategy manual so you can start to do this even easier. Thanks so much for watching, my friend. Subscribe because I'm going to be going even more deep in future videos and even sharing more strategies on other social media platforms. Like this video if you got value, and until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.